Geneticists are reshaping our understanding of Neanderthals and other ancient humans through a comprehensive exploration of their historical interactions. Greetings, everyone. Today's video focuses on the groundbreaking work of geneticists led by Joshua Akey, who are revolutionizing our understanding of Neanderthals and ancient humans. By utilizing genetic analysis, they have made a remarkable discovery. Multiple instances of interbreeding between modern humans and Neanderthals spanning the last 250,000 years. This finding challenges previous notions about human evolution and suggests a much closer relationship between these two groups. Additionally, the study suggests a smaller Neanderthal population size and proposes a fascinating assimilation model wherein Neanderthals gradually integrated into modern human communities instead of facing extinction. Without further delay, let us dive into our insightful discussion. Ever since the unearthing of the initial Neanderthal fossils in 1856, there have been persistent inquiries surrounding these prehistoric human relatives. What set them apart from us? To what extent did they resemble us? Did our ancestors coexist harmoniously with them, engage in conflict, or perhaps even engage in interbreeding? The emergence of the Denisovans, a population akin to the Neanderthals that inhabited regions of Asia and South Asia, brought forth a fresh wave of enigmas. Joshua Akey, the leader of a group of geneticists and AI specialists at Princeton's Louis Sigler Institute for Integrative Genomics, is spearheading a project that aims to enhance our understanding of these ancient human populations. Through their research, they have unearthed compelling evidence of significant genetic intermingling, indicating a much stronger connection between these groups than previously believed. In the laboratory of Akey Liming Li, a professor at Southeast University in Nanjing, China, specializing in medical genetics and developmental biology, provided an explanation for the groundbreaking discovery of multiple occurrences of genetic intermingling between modern humans and Neanderthals. Akey emphasized that this finding represents the first time such instances have been identified. Throughout the course of human history, there has been a consistent pattern of interaction between modern humans and Neanderthals. The common ancestors of both species diverged approximately 600,000 years ago, with modern traits emerging around 250,000 years ago. In the journal Science, a study was published that challenges preconceived notions about Neanderthals. For approximately 200,000 years, Neanderthals coexisted with modern humans until their eventual disappearance. Contrary to previous beliefs, this study portrays Neanderthals as skilled hunters and toolmakers who thrived in the harsh European climates and even provided advanced medical care to their injured counterparts. By utilizing the genetic information extracted from 2,000 modern humans, 3 Neanderthals and 1 Denisovan, Akey and his research team were able to trace the exchange of genes between these groups throughout the past 250,000 years. Employing a sophisticated genetic tool known as IBD-mix, which utilizes machine learning algorithms to interpret genomes, they discovered a groundbreaking revelation. Unlike previous methods that relied on comparing human genomes to a reference population with minimal Neanderthal or Denisovan DNA, IBD-mix unveiled that even populations residing far from regions historically inhabited by Neanderthals retained minute traces of Neanderthal DNA within their genetic makeup. The identification of 3 distinct waves of contact by IBD-mix challenges the previous understanding that humans remained in Africa for 200,000 years before dispersing 50,000 years ago. According to Akey's models, there was a continuous movement in and out of Africa, with frequent interactions with Neanderthals and Denisovans. These waves occurred approximately 200, 250,000 years ago, 100, 120,000 years ago, and 50, 60,000 years ago. The archaeological record supports the notion of cultural and tool exchange between different groups of hominins, which is in line with this dynamic perspective. Akey and his team redirected their attention from investigating the impact of Neanderthal DNA on modern humans to examining the presence of modern human DNA in Neanderthals. Their research revealed that the offspring resulting from early hybridization remained within the Neanderthal population, thereby leaving no genetic evidence within modern humans. In addition, The research findings revealed that the Neanderthal community was not as large as initially believed. Conventional genetic analysis had estimated a breeding population of 3,400 individuals, but the IBD mix method revised this figure to approximately 2,400. This adjustment exposed that a significant portion of the genetic variation attributed to Neanderthals actually originated from modern humans. The team's genetic data provides insight into the vanishing of Neanderthals approximately 30,000 years ago. Aki proposes that instead of facing extinction, Neanderthals were assimilated into the modern human population over time. This theory, known as the assimilation model, was originally put forth by Fred Smith in 1989 and is reinforced by the genetic findings. According to Aki, Neanderthals teetered on the edge of extinction for an extended period. Even a slight reduction of 10 or 20% in their population had a profound effect on a group that was already fragile. Eventually, modern humans flooded in like an unstoppable force, overpowering Neanderthals in terms of sheer numbers. Published in the July 13th edition of Science, the research article titled "Recurrent Gene Flow Between Neanderthals and Modern Humans Over the Past 200,000 Years" was authored by Liming Lee, Troy J. Comey, Rob F. Bierma, and Joshua M. Aki. The study received funding from the National Institutes of Health, specifically grant R01GM110068 awarded to JMA. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.